In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Canva. If you've been using Canva for a while, you probably have a lot of old designs, images, or folders that you've deleted. These items don't disappear right away. Instead, they move into a trash section where they still take up space and can clutter your account. Emptying the trash is a simple way to keep your Canva workspace clean and make it easier to find the designs you actually care about. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps so you know where to click and what to expect. First, open Canva and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, look towards the upper left corner of the page. You'll see the main menu area. This is where you can access your projects, templates, and folders. Go ahead and click on the main menu there. This opens up the navigation panel that lets you move around different sections of your Canva workspace. Next, we're going to find the trash section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with different options like your projects and folders. Scroll down that left sidebar until you see the option labeled Trash. It may be grouped along with other project-related sections. Once you find it, click on Trash. After you click Trash, Canva will show you all the items you've deleted. This can include designs, images, and other files you no longer wanted. Take a quick moment to scan through this list. If there's anything you deleted by mistake and still need, this is your last chance to restore it instead of losing it permanently. When you're sure you're ready to permanently remove everything, look towards the upper right corner of the trash page. You should see a button labeled Empty Trash. Click on that button. Canva may show a confirmation message asking if you're absolutely sure you want to delete all items permanently. This is to prevent you from accidentally losing important work. Confirm that you want to proceed. Once you confirm, Canva will clear all the contents of your trash. Those items are now permanently removed from your account and cannot be recovered. Your trash folder should now be empty, and your Canva space will be a lot more organized.